Oh man. Holy smokes. Oh, it's cold out there.
Oh, it's very cold out there.
All right. Well, welcome to another video, everyone. This is the finally the POV drive of the Porsche Taycan, and we have Gillian with me, who's part of Porsche of Stratham.
That's good.
And yeah, we're gonna take a quick little loop.
So we're in normal mode.
Yeah, I want to leave it in normal for the meantime.
4 different types of mode. Well, technically 5 with the custom mode.
Right.
4 different types of mode.
Okay.
Range is to use its maximum power to get you the long distance
Right.
as possible.
Okay.
And then further up into the range modes is obviously how fast the car can go.
Right. Exactly. So we'll take it a little easy, and then when we finally kind of, you know, as we progress, we'll up it up a little bit in the performance. So very cool. The change is just, it's so weird lurching forward, because it just, like, I have engine mounts in my GTI, and this thing just smooth.
Have you driven like other electric cars before?
I drove a Model S and Model X, the pre-facelift Model S and the Model X, a long time ago, like 2016, I would say.
So if you remember it, there's a lot of engine braking. Well, not really
right, regenerative. Yeah,
braking.
yep.
This car, Porsche could have put that. They also could have put autopilot on this car if they wanted to.
Right.
They didn't want to. They
exactly.
wanted to keep it as a driver's car.
Yep.
Simple drive. So obviously, if you want to brake, you press on the brake.
Right.
They don't want you to let off the gas, and next thing you know, you're about to brake into a stop sign.
Exactly. Yeah.
So they want you to actually press on the brake to brake. There is a little bit of regen braking in this car.
Yeah, and you can hear it a little bit too when you put it in those dynamic modes,
yeah,
right? You
correct.
can kind of hear that battery amplified.
So I'll show you the different types of sounds that you can hear. So there's electric sports sound in this vehicle.
Right. And this is changed through individual or going to the sport
yes,
setting.
Well, Sport Plus will activate it automatically.
Okay. Yep.
You can change it yourself if you wanted to by pressing right here.
Right.
But it's not a fake sound. It's more of an amplified sound.
Exactly. Through the speakers, right?
Through the speakers. Yeah.
Yes.
So
yep.
Imagine just the battery terminal spinning around. That's
Right.
how
Yep.
batteries work.
Yeah.
You took the low frequency of that noise.
Right.
And amplified it into your speakers.
Yep.
There's also speakers under the car, so people from the outside of your car can hear it.
Yes, exactly. And you can actually definitely hear this thing too when it's going
definitely.
quick.
So if I put this on, you
Yeah.
can't really hear, but once you actually press on
A little bit, yeah.
a little bit, so
Had
you
that
can
future
actually
sound.
hear the future sound.
Yeah, I tell you, the steering feedback is insane. I mean, just once you point it in, it just goes, and it's and for the weight of this thing, this is around 5,000 pounds. Am I right?
Very, very heavy car.
Yeah,
It weighs more than the Cayenne Turbo.
Right. Yeah.
Which is pretty crazy, but the weight distribution is 50-50 though.
Yep.
So you have a frunk and you have a trunk.
Exactly.
The battery's right under us.
Yep.
So there's literally no way that it offsides each other.
Yep. Very cool. And one thing I'm noticing is there's what's that line on top of the speedo?
So you have your power gauge.
Right.
You have your recuperation gauge.
Okay. All right.
So if you press on the brakes a little bit, you can see.
Yes. Yes. It goes green. Yep.
Green. Yep.
Very cool.
The blue is basically what you're wasting. Not really wasting, what you're more having fun with.
Yes. You're right.
And the green is where you're recuperating.
Yep. Yeah, this thing is it's quite the car, I tell you. And I can, when I let off, I know, because it's still, I think, in the regenerative braking. I popped it into Sport, but I think Sport Plus is probably where it starts to cut that stuff out.
That's what it does on Sport Plus. It cuts it off.
Yep.
If I turn it off right now, that's when you feel more coasting. If you
yes.
let off the gas.
Yep. Yep.
Coast a lot.
So this right up here, this is where Eric took me. Is that a swell route? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. We'll put it into Sport Plus.
Sport Plus activates your chassis.
Yep.
Sport Plus lowers the car all the way down.
With the air ride too and everything.
With the air ride.
Yeah.
Correct.
Cool.
You lose a little bit of your miles.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's quite a feeling. I don't think I mashed my foot to the floor, but you know, for today, I think it's a little bit cold. The tires probably are not even close to what they need to be for warmth, but this thing pulls. And the cool thing is that second gear, that gear change, it's insane.
Yeah, I hope the video catches it, but if you ever see a downshift, it actually gives you a little bit of the noise of the downshift.
Really?
Like nice little rev match noise.
Yep.
Which is pretty cool.
Is that purposeful, or is that kind of just by chance?
I think it's purposeful.
Yep.
In my opinion. Porsche puts it in.
Yeah. Wow, this thing is quite a ride, I tell you. the seating position's nice too.
Yeah.
That's the thing with all Porsches. I've been very fortunate. I've been able to drive the Macan and then the 718, and even for the Macan being an SUV, the seating position's awesome,
Yeah.
and the visibility is really good too.
They really make it driver focus.
Yep.
That's why there's a lot of buttons on the Macan right here.
Yeah.
So they don't have to lose focus of driving.
Right. Does this have so this is on the full Sport Plus chassis control setting, right? With the dampeners. Okay.
Correct. Has the dampeners all the way tight.
Yep.
And then has the air ride all the way low.
Okay. This is a right out of here, right?
Yeah, you can take it right out of here.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, even for an aggressive suspension setting, it really does not ride that rough, which is kind of nice.
Yeah.
Oh man, wow.
The instant torque gets you every time.
It does, yeah, for sure.
So you can hit a full G force.
Yep.
If you do a launch control.
Wow.
So which is kind of great.
Yeah, I think we almost hit a G with Anthony in the car, and he was driving, and the thing just rockets. That's the thing with these electric cars, you know, that instant torque.
Instant torque. There's not a lot of parts that it has to go through. It's
Right.
just pedal to motor to wheels.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, that's a pretty souped up Veloster. Wow, that is really souped up. Holy smokes. Yeah. Very aggressive. Yeah, that sound is wicked. I mean, this is quite a package, and a lot of people like to say, and this is what I've been seeing a lot of my newest video with the walk around is, you know, the pricing for this is it's very expensive, but honestly, for what you're getting, you know, you're getting a very premium car.
It's a very premium car, especially if you get up to the turbo S.
Yeah.
$200,000 range.
Right.
It's really meant on what it is. You have the interior that you want.
Yep.
The fully customization.
Exactly.
Performance doesn't really lack. In my opinion, this is more of a sports car.
Right.
To get around. Typically, if you're in the city, you could probably use it as a daily driver.
Right. Yep.
But around this area, since you live up in the north, not a lot of stations around.
Yeah. We don't.
Take this left that's coming up here.
All right. Follow this CRV. This is like a. Oh yeah, I see. I don't think I've ever been down this road before.
Ever been on this road? It's a nice little straightaway. I usually pull into that little parking lot, so wait a little bit till it clears up, and then I do the pull.
Tell me where this little parking lot is. That?
Yeah, this parking lot right over here.
All right, and we'll end the POV drive right here. So overall, driving impressions, this thing is so cool. It's such, I mean, it's an amazing car, and I'm very impressed by it. I mean, for what it is, it's such a nice car, and I love the gauges. The gauges are super cool. You get your G's right in front of you. You know, the speed, all of your light controls. This is very easy to access the modes, obviously. This is a great package. So overall, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I want to thank Gillian, of course, from Porsche of Stratham, and we'll end the video here. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.